Okay, we're on the St. Kilda Foreshore, taking a bit of a walk. It's about 28 degrees at the moment, not very warm, not very sunny, just overcast. You can see a few people actually on the beach there, not many, a few. Feels, it's very humid and there's absolutely no waves at all. It's a weird sort of day, sort of muggy. So there's a few people here. There's always people here. Gotta watch where I'm walking because it's actually quite slippery here. So yeah, like I said, there's a few people here, not many in the water. I'm not sure, it's probably the first warm day we've had in a few days. So the water might be a little bit chilly. But St. Kilda Beach, there's always people here. It could be, you know, like 20 degrees Celsius and there'll be people in the water here, and you've got the cafes on the side. So it's actually quite nice here, quite scenic. It's actually quite pleasant. People jogging, people walking, just enjoying the day. And it's become a touristy sort of place, even though people from Melbourne probably don't particularly like St. Kilda Beach as much, but it's become very touristy. And the reason for that is the water quality here, being close to the city, is not that great. Usually when they have issues with the water quality of the local beaches, St. Kilda's probably one of them. It's just, as you can see, you can hire paddle boards. These pretty, I'm not sure what these things are. These are huge. Fly, I think there's sailboards, I think, where you get the parachute. Stand-up paddle. There, stand-up paddle boards. There you go. Gee, they're bloody big. About the size of my car. They're huge. It's gonna take two people to lift those things. Okay. And there's plenty of street cafes, as you can see here by the foreshore. People having their lunch. It's about 2 PM here, but it's very overcast today, as you can see. There's a lot of people on the beach, but it's just there's no sun at all today. It's just overcast. It's just a quite pleasant walk here. It's quite nice, as you can see. I'd actually consider going in, but I didn't bring my gear. I just stopped here to take a bit of video of the pier, St. Kilda Pier. I'm not going to go to the end, but you get the rough idea what it looks like. If I keep going all the way, it'll drag on the video, but the beach goes on for another 200-300 metres, I think, roughly 200-300 metres, and there's people here on the park as well, as you can see. So it's quite good. It's just pity the day's not that crash hot today. Could be a bit more sunny. Yeah, if it was a bit more sunny, it'd be actually quite nice. But there's always people here. Like I said, people that come to Melbourne, they come to St. Kilda Beach. It's like Sydney. They've got their Bondi and their Manly and so on. This is the closest beach. Then you got South Melbourne, which is a bit further down. That's quite a nice beach as well. It's not a very big beaches in terms of, you know, like from here to the water. It's only like about 20-30 feet. There you go, get someone on a motorised skateboard. Just keep walking. Yeah, as I said before, there's not many people in the water. It's actually quite calm. It's like glass out there, if you can see. It's all glass. There's a little bit of breeze, not that much, but there's no waves at all today. I think a lot of people have come out to get a bit of sun, but unfortunately there's no sun today. It's just very overcast, as you can see up there. Okay. Got a great big dog going for a walk as well. There you go. It's a huge dog. Taking him for a walk, or is he taking you for a walk?
She does what she wants.
Oh, she does.
Come on, Pete, up.
There you go. Hello. What kind of dog is she?
She's a Bernese Mountain.
Oh, okay. She's big, whatever she is.
Come on, Pete.
Okay, just keep walking down. A few people taking selfies, as you can see. I'm not sure how much battery power I've got left, because when you're recording it doesn't actually tell you how much power you've got left, so I'll just keep recording until it dies out. But yeah, looking back, there's not many people in the water today. There's a few over there. I can count about 4 or 5, but most people are just sitting out here trying to get a bit of sun. When there's no sun, it's just overcast today. It's 28. Okay, just gradually walking. I got to watch my step here because it's actually quite steep, and when you step on a certain area that's got a bit of sand on it, you actually slide down. That's the pier over there in the distance there, St. Kilda Pier, which I was on before, and then beyond that is the actual marina. And there you go, there's a few people in the water, but not many. I've noticed a lot of people that have a lot of tourists because they have foreign accents from other places, and as I mentioned earlier, St. Kilda is a very touristy spot. You can see a few people out, not many but a few, and that's St. Kilda Pier where we were earlier, and the marina behind that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll post as more videos as I can, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and have a good one. Take care.